So this is my take on the origami doors. I did a little bit different. Mine's all wood, no metal. I guess we didn't really get a good picture of opening all the way up, so I'll do this side. But it's all metal. I didn't use any wood. I didn't use any metal on the frame, except for the hinges. I even got to use my door handle off my old door. The pivot points are just some of this metal tubing that I had scrap laying around. Some of this stuff here, it runs through the center of the wood, and then I got 3/8 bolts running through the center of the pipe. So that's what that is. And then on the hinge, I got the same thing. You see the metal in there, and then it's a 3/8 bolt that runs all the way through. I've got it double nutted here so that this stays tight, and then double nutted here so that the handle stays tight, but it still spins and it still rotates. So other than that, the centerpiece here, I had to bevel it down because it kept getting caught up on everything. But if I didn't have it wide enough, it would have a gap in there in the back. To where you could see down beside the hinge, or down beside the edge there. So now you can't see any inside when you're standing off the face of it. But that's the cabinet.